In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your Shopify Contact Us page. This task is an essential part of setting up your online store, allowing your customers to reach out with inquiries or feedback easily. So let's dive into it and make your site more interactive and user-friendly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the online store section in your Shopify admin. From there, select Pages and get ready to add a new page. This step is the foundation of making your contact page come to life. Now, let's create your new page. Head over to the Add Page option. Here, you're going to input your page's title. In the title box, simply enter Contact Us. Or if you prefer something slightly different, feel free to go with Get in Touch. This title is what your customers will see when they navigate your website, so make sure it feels welcoming and clear. Next, let's talk about customizing your contact page further. You'll find a content box here, which serves as a canvas for any additional text or elements you might want to include above the form itself. If you have a specific greeting, an image, or even a video message you'd like to place before the form, now's your chance to do it. Of course, if simplicity is your thing, you can also leave it blank and let the form do all the talking. The next crucial step is selecting the right template. In the online store section, you'll notice a drop-down labeled Theme Template. From here, you should choose the Contact template. This template is specially designed to generate a contact form automatically on your page, making the process straightforward and efficient. Once you've made these adjustments, hit that Save button. It's as simple as that. By saving your work, a contact form will be automatically added to your shiny new Contact Us page. This form provides your customers with a direct line to reach you, their inquiries sent straight to the email associated with your Shopify account. To enhance the usability of your page further, consider customizing the form. You have the option of adding or removing fields and even tweaking the form's appearance by diving into the theme's code. These steps allow you to tailor the form to suit your business needs perfectly. Additionally, if your business includes a physical location, consider listing your contact information on this page. Adding an email address, phone number, or physical address can be valuable for customers who prefer different modes of communication. And for those utilizing a help desk system, this is a great opportunity to embed their ticket form right onto your contact page. It's a perfect way to streamline support requests and ensure customer inquiries are organized efficiently. And there you have it, a functional and inviting Contact Us page, ready to bridge the gap between you and your customers.